Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about water drowning. In dry drowning, you see that the water does not enter the lungs because of laryngeal spasm. In dry drowning is a condition where there is sustained laryngeal spasm. So no water or air enters the air passage because water is not entering the trachea, so it is dry drowning, and even air is not entering, so there will be asphyxia leading to death of the patient. Thank you, and thank you for watching.